In the age of rapidly advancing AI technology, it's natural for some to feel apprehensive about the capabilities of AI language models like ChatGPT. However, there are 5 compelling reasons why everyone should not be afraid of ChatGPT and instead embrace it as a transformative tool. Reason number 1: transparent technology. ChatGPT is built on transparent AI models that prioritize ethical use and responsible development. As an OpenAI project, ChatGPT comes with extensive documentation and guidelines to ensure transparency and safety. The AI research community continually scrutinizes and evaluates these models, fostering accountability and promoting a responsible AI landscape. Understanding the inner workings and limitations of ChatGPT allows us to dispel misconceptions and myths surrounding AI. By shining a light on its transparent design, we can alleviate fears and embrace it as a reliable and transparent tool, driving us towards a more secure and trustworthy AI future. Reason number 2: augmentation, not replacement. Contrary to the fear of AI taking over jobs, ChatGPT is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. By assisting in tasks that require data analysis, language understanding, and idea generation, ChatGPT allows individuals to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and problem-solving. In the workplace, ChatGPT acts as a valuable assistant, streamlining processes and offering insights that complement human intuition. This collaborative approach strengthens human-AI partnerships, empowering employees to contribute effectively and adapt to the evolving job market. Reason number 3: empowerment through accessibility. ChatGPT is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This democratization of AI empowers people from diverse backgrounds to tap into the vast knowledge and creativity of ChatGPT, irrespective of their technical expertise. By making AI accessible to all, ChatGPT fosters a sense of inclusivity and ensures that AI-driven benefits reach individuals across the globe. From students seeking homework assistance to entrepreneurs seeking business insights, ChatGPT becomes a tool for personal growth and success, transforming lives and enabling opportunities. Reason number 4: enriching education. As a powerful AI language model, ChatGPT can revolutionize education by offering personalized learning experiences. It can cater to individual learning styles, provide instant feedback, and help learners grasp complex concepts with ease. In classrooms, ChatGPT can support educators by creating interactive and engaging lessons, promoting active learning, and adapting to students' unique needs. By fostering a collaborative learning environment, ChatGPT becomes a catalyst for curiosity and critical thinking, preparing students for the challenges and opportunities of the future. Reason number 5: advancing research and innovation. ChatGPT has the potential to accelerate scientific research and innovation by assisting researchers in analyzing vast amounts of data and generating new hypotheses. It can serve as a valuable partner in the pursuit of groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. In research labs, ChatGPT becomes a powerful tool for data exploration, enabling scientists to uncover patterns and correlations that may have remained hidden otherwise. By embracing ChatGPT as a research companion, we can push the boundaries of human knowledge, tackling complex challenges that pave the way for a better and brighter future. In conclusion, there are 5 compelling reasons why everyone should not be afraid of ChatGPT. This incredible AI language model offers transparent technology, augments human capabilities, fosters accessibility, enriches education, and drives scientific research and innovation. By understanding and embracing the potential of ChatGPT, we can harness its power to create a positive impact on our lives and communities. Let us welcome ChatGPT as a collaborative partner, working hand in hand with AI to unlock a future of endless possibilities. By learning about ChatGPT and actively engaging with AI-driven technologies, we can move beyond fear and embrace a future where human potential and AI innovation converge to create a more prosperous and harmonious world.